So Steve, thanks very much for inviting us into the Vision Engineering demonstration area. It's been interesting seeing everything here today. Can you tell me a little about the new products in the digital environment that you've been developing here?
Yeah, very much so. The new products, as we've got a range of new products that fit different needs, all focused really to meet our customers' needs, and whether that's in easy to use, relatively simple low-end products, or in the slightly more advanced digital stereo systems that are there really to help customers solve their problems in terms of timing, in terms of speed of resolution, and understanding their subjects whilst working in this new post-COVID environment. Exactly, yeah. They're really targeted at customers. Our microscopes are really tools to do a job. So if that job is to inspect a part, but to do it quickly and efficiently and accurately, then we've got the right tool for that job. If it's about seeing information and sharing that information between users in different areas, then again, we've got the right tools to do those jobs. We've all got used to not travelling and to working with teams remotely and sharing information remotely, and that's really where the products come into their own, where you can share information, collaborate in a way that's not been possible before, because you're sharing three-dimensional images of products across continents. We can save them and play them back across time zones, we could say, but in different areas to different people. Because we've all got used to working in a different way, and so it's to help people do that. That's the idea. We're seeing how manufacturing is going, that people are wanting to keep pushing forward, that the speed of resolution, the speed of connectivity, being able to work in very multi-dimensional teams, and that's where we're going and where we've developed these new products for.